You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing names from the Marvel Universe, Marvel Comics, make sure to stay tuned. There are many confusing names that many get wrong. You don't want to miss out. Stay tuned until the end of the video. We've got more there. Wiccan character. Wiccan, William Bailey Kaplan Altman. Wiccan Marvel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.